This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. The Meghalaya government has made it mandatory for all people who enter the state to register themselves at meghalayaonline.gov.in prior to their travel. Entrants are also required to download the Arogya Setu app and Behavioral Change Management app of Meghalaya from Google Play Store. The protocols were revised in view of the surge in COVID-19 cases in many states of the country, requiring immediate steps to be taken to contain the spread of the virus. It is also mandatory for all international travelers to produce a negative RT-PCR test report. All international travelers should be under home quarantine for 7 days from the date of their arrival regardless of their test results, an official notification said. Meghalaya registered 28 new COVID-19 cases and 40 recoveries yesterday. In Assam, a target has been set to cover 1.92 lakh people during the Tika Utsav in the state. Senior health officials said that vaccines are being administered at 592 sites. So far, 14.52 lakh people have been administered with the COVID vaccination. The health department has overall set the target to cover 70 lakh persons aged 45 and above under the COVID vaccination program within 3 months. Along with the vaccination, testing has also been increased. Around 405 positive cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. In Meghalaya, voting for the elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is in progress in all the 29 district councils constituencies. The voting started at 7 a.m. amid tight security, especially in vulnerable and critical polling stations. There are 953 polling stations and more than 4,000 polling officials. Altogether, 7,43,717 voters are eligible to exercise their franchise. There are 182 candidates, including women, are in the fray. Counting of votes will be held on the 15th of this month. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh yesterday inaugurated a 4-day Tika Utsav, a special COVID-19 vaccination drive, and took the first jab of COVID vaccine at the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Hospital in Imphal East district. The nationwide campaign was organized to speed up the vaccination to contain the second wave of the pandemic. After receiving the vaccine, the Chief Minister said that he did not experience any adverse effect and appealed to all whose age is 45 years and above to get inoculated and support the government's efforts towards preventing the second wave of COVID-19. He also urged the public to follow the COVID-appropriate behaviors and avoid crowding. Around 126 centers are activated across the state to vaccinate all people 45 years and above. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, along with health department officials, visited Kalapahar Hospital in Guwahati to check preparedness for COVID management. Sarma tweeted about his visit to the hospital and said that he had spoken to the doctors and staff to understand their requirements, including checking on availability of PPE kits, and gave the best attention to COVID-19 patients. As second wave of COVID-19 hits many states, Assam has scaled up testing to reach to more and more citizens. Sarma said that state has completed 75 lakhs tests yesterday in the fight against COVID-19. In Manipur, 10 new COVID-19 positive cases have been reported in the past 24 hours, raising the active cases to 107. 3 COVID-19 patients were also discharged from hospital. The total number of positive cases is 29,496 and the total recovered case is 29,013. One person aged 59 years also expired due to COVID-19 infection, taking the total fatality to 376. Regarding COVID-19 vaccination, 92,948 persons, including 31,939 healthcare workers, have been vaccinated till yesterday. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.